Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I'm going to show you guys and explain how this works. And this is the Unitek, and it's a USB-C bi-directional switch. And so I'm going to show you guys it here. Let me just unplug some of these things here. What is that plugged into? Oh, into there. Okay, so this is it here. So this is what it looks like here. So the concept is this will plug into your computer. So it'll go both ways. So let's say I plug this into, let's just say I plug this into my computer, right? And then I have two USB-C ports here, so I can connect it up to two different like monitors or two different devices like that. And then I'm able to, you can kind of see here, they have it pictured here, and you can kind of push the button depending on which device you want it to go to, if I want to go to one or the other. So that gives it that way. The other option you can do is you can hook this up into your monitor. So how cool is this? So you can hook this up into your monitor, and I can have it go from my laptop into here, and then I can have it from my other computer, my desktop, into here too. And then all I have to do is push the button here, and I can see whichever screen I want. So I can see the screen from my Mac here, which is just a laptop there, or I could see it from my Windows computer, which is over there somewhere. So how cool is that? That's the really nice little device, and it came with this, and it came with two of the USB-C cables, so you can connect it up to all your devices here. So I can have this go to my monitor, this go to my computer, and this go to my other computer. So it's super cool, and you push the button between it, and it's going to just send the signal back and forth between them, which is really awesome. I like it. Actually, what I think I might do is set this one up here with a wireless contraption, because I have a couple of wireless devices, and so I might just do wireless, so then I can have my main monitor connected to my computer all the time, and then I can just connect the wireless one to whatever other device I want for my monitor. So how cool is that? This is a really nice little contraption, and it's bi-directional, so you can do it that way, or you can do it the other way, so you can just switch it around. So super awesome. Thumbs up on this. Look here, it says reverse charging from monitor, so I guess your monitor can go back down to your iPad or your phone, and then you can go the other way around too. It's just super cool. Thumbs up for sure.